Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to set team roles and permissions on Asana, your complete 2025 guide. First things first, let's navigate to the Asana dashboard. Now that we're here, you'll want to find and click on the Team Settings option. The reason we do this is to access the area where we can manage team roles and permissions. The next step is to select Members. Here, you'll see a list of all the current team members. You can add or remove people, but today we're focusing on setting roles. This step is important because it allows you to control who has access to certain features and who doesn't, ensuring your project stays organized and secure. So, let's click on a team member's name. This takes us to their profile. Here you'll find the role option. Click on that to assign or change their role. The reason we do this is to bestow different levels of access to team members based on their role in the project. Now, you'll see a drop-down menu with different roles like admin, member, and guest. Admins have the highest level of access, while guests have the least. This helps us because it allows us to tailor access to the project based on individual responsibilities. Let's go ahead and select the appropriate role for this team member. The final step is to set the permissions. On the same profile page, you'll find the permissions option. Click on it, and you'll see options like Can Edit, Can Comment, and Can View. Choose the appropriate permissions for the team member. This step is crucial as it determines what actions the individual can perform within the project. And that's it. You've now set both team roles and permissions on Asana. This process ensures that every team member has an appropriate level of access to your projects, keeping everything organized and secure. Thanks for watching, and remember, effective team management is just a few clicks away with Asana. Until next time.